Hello and welcome to this lesson. So once you have created your study journal account using OneNote, this is where you're going to get in once you log in. So what you're going to look at in this lesson is just basically how you can create a new notebook, create a section, and essentially create pages using OneNote so that you can get ready now to start your daily annotations and weekly annotations. So the first thing we're going to look at is how you can create a new notebook. So you just click on more notebooks. So you already see there's an existing notebook here. Originally you'll find it once you log in, which is called my notebook. But if you want to create a new notebook, click on more notebooks. Then once you get on to notebooks, click on new. Then insert your notebook name. So maybe I'll just call it study journal. Then click on create. So it will create a new notebook which you can now use going forward in your annotations. So you look at how now within that notebook we can create a new section and a new page. So you can see OneNote has created a new notebook for us. So we are inside that notebook. So if you want to select another notebook, you can just click on notebooks and select a different notebook, but we'll just stick with the current notebook. Then you'll see under section, so this is the section part and this is the page part. So under sections, you can see it has created for us quick notes and then an untitled page. So this is the page we are referring to. So in order for you to add a new section, just come on the bottom left corner, then click on add section, then give the section a name. So maybe we'll call it daily annotations, then click on OK. So it will create for us a new section. So maybe I can right click on this and delete section so that we can just have one section there. Then if I want to create a new section, maybe weekly annotations, I'll just click on OK. Then we'll have a new section. So we can scroll between these two sections. Then if I want to add now a new page under this section of daily annotations, I just will have an untitled page here, but essentially you can click on add page down here. So if I click on add page, you can see it adds an untitled page. So essentially I can maybe give this page a title. Maybe let's give it a date, maybe today's date, then maybe the day. But as you can see, it also gives us the time and the day this new page is being created. So if I want another page, oh sorry, this is 29. If I want to create another page maybe for tomorrow, that will be 30. So maybe I'll create it tomorrow. So I'll keep on every day I'm creating a new page. Essentially that's the flow we are talking about. And then this is Saturday. So for Friday, the annotations, you'll put them in this section here now under the page. So this is just the title of the page. You can see the title there. And then this is the part where you can now insert your notes. Then under weekly annotations, you can see the page is untitled. So maybe I can just call it week, maybe let's say week 10 or something. Then you put your notes down below. So if you want to maybe copy this, you can right click, then copy, or just copy or move. So maybe I'll just select move or copy. Then I just do it under weekly annotations. I say copy rather than move. So you'll see it will create a copy of this. Then I can rename that copy week 11. So essentially my annotations will come below this. So it will always give you the date and the time it created that page. So maybe you can just look at an example of how you can annotate, or rather add notes. So maybe I'll just add this. It's Fridays. So this is just an example of a note, or rather daily annotation. Then I can insert an image down below. So maybe if I go to trading view, maybe I have this image. This is just an example. I can click on the take a snapshot, then just copy the image, then go back to OneNote and paste this image here. So if I paste the image, maybe I'll just use Control V, then it will paste the image. So I tried to copy and paste using my mouse, but it failed. So I just use Control V to paste the image, and you can see the image is populated right there. So that's how you can use OneNote to do our daily and weekly annotations. So as you can see, we have gone through how you can use this platform to actually do your annotations and do your journaling. So essentially, the information that you publish here is actually in the cloud, and it is saved automatically. It's backed up online, and you can also use the OneNote on your phone. There's also an application for OneNote, so that's why I like OneNote. There's an application for the phone, and there's also a Windows application. So that is how effective actually this journaling tool is, because you can use it across multiple devices. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.